This is a Voyager canoe, and in the back are tools for making repairs to this canoe. And you have to remember, there were no cars, no railroad, only canoe. And this was run by the Hudson Bay Company. And when they hired on Voyagers, they preferred men who were afraid of swimming and who really couldn't swim. And they preferred that because if you were afraid to be in the water because you couldn't swim, you were more likely to portage. And every bundle was about 90 to 100 pounds, and you were expected to portage at least 2 bundles, sometimes 3, maybe 4. And the men did not like doing portages, and they would try to run the rapids quite often with a loss of all the trade goods for the Hudson Bay Company. So by hiring men who were afraid to swim and afraid of the water, they were more than willing to portage and save the goods for the company. This is a Hudson Bay canoe, and the Voyagers would have traveled from Montreal with the trade goods that were put in the store. In exchange, they were given the pelts, and these could be any type of animal, but primarily beaver. And after staying here a few days, they would pack up and travel back to Montreal, which was the way the rivers flowed, and they could make that part of the trip in 21 days.